It takes a spark to connect lives, explore beyond, feel secure, protect borders. It takes a spark to build a nation. From deepest oceans to towering skyscrapers, welding is used in almost everything around us. And since 1951, one company has been providing the finest range of welding consumables and solutions. Ador Welding Private Limited is a driving force in the welding industry with innovative and sophisticated technology and a global presence across 40 countries. Ador is a proud Indian company. Ador provides welding consumables and equipment to all major infrastructure projects, automobiles, power, oil and gas, pipelines, shipping, energy and heavy engineering. Make in India with Ador Welding.